Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a good day as always. Today I'm going to be talking about a car loan fee that I don't want any one of you guys to pay, and it's actually something that I should have talked about a long time ago, considering I've been making many videos about refinancing and car loans in general. Now, with that said, I do want to give a very quick shout out to Zachary, who had emailed me a couple days ago with some questions about car refinancing in general, but he also brought up this fee that I'm about to talk about. And I cannot believe that I forgot to discuss this because it's actually much more commonplace than you would think. So thank you so much, Zachary. I appreciate your email. Also, congratulations on refinancing your car and going from 10.6 to 5.5%. That's going to end up in a lot of savings for you. Guys, if you're all considering saving and refinancing as well, check out my video on Rate Genius. They work with credit unions all over the US to try to get a lower rate than what you currently have, so definitely check them out. Now, as for today's video topic, this fee that I'm discussing, it is much more commonplace than you would think, but it's not necessarily a fee that the lender is just charging you for the fun of it. There is a specific reason why they're charging this, and if you do have this fee, I want to show you how you can get out of it. Now, first off, what is this fee that I'm talking about? Believe it or not, there's just not a single name for it. Zachary's email indicated that his lender called it like the VSI fee, the Vendor Single Insurance Fee. At my credit union, we called it the CPI, which I think stood for Consumer Protection Insurance. And that sounds like a good thing, right? Consumer protection, but it's actually not. What it is, it's a fee that lenders put on loans, car loans specifically, when they don't have proof that A, you've got full coverage, and B, I should say full coverage insurance, but B, that they are also listed as lien holder on your insurance as well for the car. Because, until you pay that car off, that car is partly, belongs to the bank as well, and they want to protect it. So they want to know that if the insurance is involved in a claim and they issue funds to do anything, they don't want you to pocket those funds. They want to protect their collateral and make sure all the repair work is done. So they want to know that you've got full coverage, and they want to know that they're listed as lien holder. And if they don't have those things, they might add this fee onto your loan. Back at the credit union, I would get people coming in all the time confused and a little bit upset because we would send out a letter saying, hey, we've added $1,100 onto your car loan to cover our collateral in case anything happens. Here's what you need to do in order to get this fee taken off. And that's the good news. This fee will be taken off. It's not, anything that they're trying to do to charge you extra money. They're just trying to protect their collaterals. So if you happen to have recently purchased a car or refinanced a car, make sure that you've done everything you need to do to alert the insurance provider about your lien holder, and make sure that they have sent that information, that proof, to the lien holders so they know that they're covered as well. And in case you didn't do this, or maybe you're uncertain of whether or not your insurance provider sent over the appropriate information, you can also just look at your auto loan history, right? You'll see your entire list of payments, and if you happen to see any fee or extra loan or insurance protection added on, more than likely this is the fee that we're discussing today. Most of the time, if you do have this fee on your loan, your lender has tried to reach out to you and alert you of this in some way, whether it's through email or paper mail. But they will also tell you that this is a fee that you can get taken off, and so that's what I want to talk about here real quick. Pretty much all they need is proof that A, you've always had insurance and that they're the lien holder, and they normally get this information through what is called the declarations page. They're going to get that through your insurance provider, but it's not exactly just the little piece of paper, proof of insurance that you carry with you in your car. A declarations page actually is a full breakdown of your coverages, and it'll show your lien holder, and it'll also show you the date ranges that you've been insured with this provider. So most of the time, if the bank or the credit union needs this information, you can just call up your insurance provider and say, hey, please send my deck page to, whatever contact info you have with your financial institution. If, let's say, you changed insurance agencies, in the time that you've had this auto loan, you may need to do that with both insurance companies. And they can do that for you. They're really, really used to this stuff. It's not that big of a deal. But at the end of the day, right? If you do not know about this fee, or maybe you have this fee and you're not sure how to get it taken care of, it's really, really easy to get resolved, and it's something you absolutely want to get resolved, because if not, you're going to have a higher car loan balance than you originally had, and you're also going to be paying interest on that higher loan amount. So it's really a lose-lose for everybody. The lender doesn't want to have an upset customer. You don't want to have a higher auto loan. But normally all of this is really easily remedied just by doing the stuff that I discussed. So if you happen to have purchased or refinanced recently, check your loan history, make sure this fee has not been attached to your loan, and if so, make sure you get it taken care of, because I don't want you to have to pay any other fees or interest than what's necessary. But that's what I want to talk about today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. You guys know what to do, but take care, make smart financial decisions, and I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, I know I just said this stuff, but let me say it again. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate all the support that you guys give me. And to support you, here's 2 more videos that I've made in the past in case you haven't seen them. Don't forget to share these with your friends and family so we can help all the people achieve their financial goals. Likewise, if there's anything that you would want to see made that you haven't seen thus far, definitely don't hesitate to let me know. But thanks again, take care, and have a good day.